Okay.
Okay, I spit the Elephant in the Cup song by Pitch Perfect. Okay, here we go. I'm only 11, so I only know the first verse. Here we go. I got my ticket for the long way round. So buy whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company, 'cause I'm leaving no more to say. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Okay, I'm gonna try it without singing.
And she failed.
The cup fell, okay?